Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we are doing our Silhouette Cameo video and we are making this really cute witch tote tree bag. She's rather large. You can fit all kinds of trinkets in there. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer and you can see I'm already logged into Silhouette Studio. Now to get to my designs, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and choose where it says Library. This brings up all of my files or my designs. Left hand side, I created all these folders. I'm going to go down and find the folder I created called Videos. That's where I put the project we're making, which is this one right here. I'm going to click on that. It's a 3D Halloween witch tote bag. It is by Lori Whitlock. The design ID number is 48172. I should bring that to our design area. Just go to double click on it. You'll see it here. It does come in all grouped. Now what I want to do is minimize my mat, make my mat smaller so we can see all the pieces here. Alright, so I'm going to right click on it and choose ungroup and then grab this piece first, then these pieces. I can grab all of our face parts, bring all those over. I'm taking everything off the mat except for the box itself because the box is not grouped together. You can see there are score marks on there. So take your left mouse button, highlight everything on that box. Right click on it and then choose group, then move the box and make sure all the score marks move with it, and do the same for this piece here. Highlight everything, right click and choose group, and then again move the box to make sure everything moves with it. Alright, so now if we go back into our library and look at that design, you can see the colors. So the box itself is purple. The little band here would be light purple, which is this piece here, and the other pieces are black and green. So what I'm going to do is color all the pieces. So I'm going to bring this piece up, all the face pieces up, and this piece. This piece here, because I know all these pieces are black. I'm going to highlight all of those. They're all selected. Go to the right hand side toolbar and click on the little paint palette and make them all be black. So now I can move all of them out of my way. I'm actually going to group them together. I can move them out of my way. So now this piece is green. Have that selected. It could be a green color. And then this piece is a yellowish color or gold. This one here is a light purple. And then, light purple. And then these two pieces are the darker purple. Alright, so now to put them on my mat, I'm going to take all my black pieces first, put them in the upper left hand corner, put my green in the bottom right hand corner, and then this little piece over here, and the other white of the eyes right there. So I'll send all this to my Cameo, make sure you're inside the mat. So I'm going to go ahead and choose send. We can just double check, make sure everything is inside the mat area. So I would send all that to my Cameo, cut it out, come back, take all these pieces off, move them to the side, and then move this piece over, just like that. Because I can't fit both of these pieces on a mat, so I'm going to cut one of these at a time, send it to my machine, cut back, bring this one over. I can actually probably do this one and this one. Alright, so let's cut everything out to go to the table and put the little treat bag together. Alright, we are back. Everything is cut out. You can see we have our two pieces for the box. We're going to work on this one first. Go ahead and fold on the score marks. Actually, we can fold all the score marks on both pieces. Alright, so now you can put it together a few different ways. You can put it together like this, like one whole piece like that, or you can flip them over and take this piece and put it on the bottom here. So it's really up to you on which way you want to put it together. I'm going to go this way. But we're going to first decorate the witch or assemble the witch pieces. Alright, so we have the hat brim. We have the witch face. The witch face. We have the black piece for the top. And all the other pieces are in here. Yes, okay. So what we're going to do first is put the hat brim on. And I'm just using the Barely Art glue. lay that on this piece. Make sure it goes in there, it's all lined up. Okay. Then we're going to put the face on. The face lines up with the brim here. Just kind of push it up, you can see where it goes. Alright, we're going to put that up there. So it's kind of centered in this piece here. Alright, next we're going to put the hair on, or the outline of the face. And you want to line up this one side with the straight edge here. Okay, so at the bottom and along that edge. Right there, and then just kind of lay it down, then it'll fall in place where it goes. Just make sure you don't go past this score mark here. Alright, now we're going to do her details. That one. This one, and then I'm just going to put a little dot of glue here for the white pieces. I have them all in my little bowl so I don't lose them. I would imagine you can probably also use googly eyes as well. Alright, then last we have her mouth. I'm going to actually dab some off. Okay. Put her mouth on. She is really cute. Alright, now we have this piece, and we have this piece here, and you'll see there's two slices in there, and this just slides right through those. It's a little finicky, but it goes in there pretty easily. There we go. Okay, make sure it's centered. Put glue on the back of this. So it goes together pretty quickly. And I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to take this yellow part, lining it up with the top of the purple piece, and then making sure it lines up or fits left to right. Just like that. Okay, so she is done. Alright, now we're going to take our glue and put glue on this flap right here. You want to have a thin, even layer, edge to edge. And then take our other piece, and we're going to line up this score mark with the bottom of this piece here. Okay, and get that there. I'm going to very carefully flip it over so I can push on this side. Okay. Right now we're going to take this piece, this little flap, put glue on this one, and again the same idea, edge to edge, thin layer. Okay, and then just bring this piece over, and it will lay flat. Just make sure you're lined up at the bottom, nice and straight. Isn't she cute? Okay, so I'm going to flip it back over and just rub along this side. Alright, now we have the box. Okay, so now we have the bottom. Now what I'm going to do, you could put glue on all these edges. I'm just going to put glue on this one flap to keep the box closed. I think that'll work. Alright, so just, again, you want to go edge to edge, even layer with your glue. Okay, I have my little tabs folded in. I'm going to go inside the box and bring this up where it's going to go. And then reach in there and grab that tab. Just let it make contact, then I'll flip the box over and go back in. Okay, so now you can flip the box over and just give it a rub on the inside. I have all this glue seeping out. I think I used a little bit too much glue on that part, but that's okay. It's on the inside. Nobody sees it. Okay, so I think we're good. How cute is she? Oh my gosh, she's adorable. All right, now to close it, I'm going to grab some ribbon. I also have some twine over here. And this is the closest I can find of green ribbon that matched. Of course, you can use black ribbon or whatever you want. All right, so I'm going to take the ribbon, just like that. I'm going to hold it in place with a binder clip. And then take a piece of twine and just tie a bow around the ribbon. Just get my knot going first. Now I can take the binding clip off. Okay, just like that. And create a little bow. Alright, I'm going to fix my tails, my loops. Alright. Take the scissors, cut off some of the tails and also some of the ribbon. I'm going to cut each one individually by itself. And this one here, maybe a little bit longer. And then spread them out a little bit. And there you have it. A really cute witch box. She's about 5.5 inches wide and 7.5 inches tall. And the treat part here, I don't have a ruler on me. Let me see if I can give you a rough estimate of the treat part. Probably about 3.5 inches this way. So you could use this for obviously treats, maybe some lollipops. If you're going to do this as like a classroom thing, you can put pencils in here, crayons, little notebooks, versus filling this whole thing up with treats, because that's going to be a lot of treats. But anyway, there you have it. There's that one. And then we have this one here. Really cute and also really easy. All right, guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.